Greetings and salutations, YouTube. I look like Jimmy Neutron today. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. Again, we are at the Goodwill. I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. So if you love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love vlogs, you love Jimmy Neutron, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store because I'm super duper excited. I'm pumped. It's Saturday. This is my first store of the day, so I'm super excited to check it out. Hopefully they have something really good today. So let's go in. Alright guys, let's head inside. I had to see what this was. This chair actually looks pretty comfy. It's $30. It's not the worst, right? Trunk, some baskets. Alright guys, I got my bag buckled in. Now we are ready to shop. Let's see if we can find anything in the handbag section. One of my favorite tips if you guys are thrifting is to go to the sections that you are most familiar with, like handbags. What is this? And you can like get those done with first before checking out the rest of the store. This bag is pretty cute. It's Banana Republic, but the color is like kind of olivey, but it's like nice for like fall. $10. And we'll see. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little bag? It looks like a fox. $6. I think it's just pleather though. Yeah. What is this? Also pleather. Puma. This looks just like a Givenchy. And it is Core and Pell. It's already peeling right there. This is interesting. I like the basket weave. There's a little thing on the front. Bolano. Victoria's Secret bag. Forever 21 bag. This looks like a Balenciaga that I actually own. Crazy. Okay. You know, this store has been increasingly like picked over with the handbags, and don't find the number that I used to here. But that's totally okay because I love this store so much. They have so much other great stuff as well. So let's check out the rest of the store. Alright guys, so I ran over to the carts and look what I found. I found this head wig. Yes, head wig. Backpack. It's so stinking cute. Still has tags. And it's only $3.99. What are the odds? And then a bunch of these, like, okay, Zach and Eliza are probably gonna die because they love Teen Titans. And that's like full of Teen Titans. This one is full of like Disney stuff. There's Aladdin in there, Beauty and the Beast, Minions, and these are, I think they're like Shopkins? I don't know, I'm not too sure. Oh no, these are filled with like different ones. Ariel, Beauty, like a ton of different things. And then check this out. $7.99. This is an Emma bowl from Pottery Bar. I don't have anything green, but it's a serving platter, so I feel like that doesn't necessarily have to match in color all the time just because it's a serving platter, so I'll take it. They have one of these Project 62 wall decor things. You can put plants inside. $5.99. Possibility. Let's see what else we have here. Always like to look at the vases and see if there's anything nice. These little square ones are always fun. I already have a bunch of those. This one's kind of interesting, but not really the blue that I'm looking for. I'm on the hunt too for a certain anthropology vase. I'm trying to add it to my collection. Oh, Think Happy, Be Happy. This is cute with butterflies on it. Grasslands Road, $2.99. That one with the elephant's kind of cute. That's interesting. I wonder what that is. This one is made in Portugal. VOS, I think, is the brand, but has some shipping on it and it's $7.99. Also, you guys, one of my biggest tips too at the Goodwill is check out these carts. I don't know if, like, not all stores are like this, but the ones here in Orange County, they bring out the carts and they just leave them out, and then you can look at them like this and shop them while they're putting them out onto the shelves. I know some stores, they don't allow that. Like, you have to wait till the item is taken from here and put on the shelf. So just make sure to find out. But all the newest stuff is always right here, for the most part, because I've seen actually them bring stuff, like old stuff, out onto here that I've seen before in the past, and then just bring them out again to make them seem new. Which, I mean, look at these trains. Also, that statue kind of scares me because it's like, looks like Thin Man, but they still have that cool cat one, and there's this other one right here too, which is also really nice. They have a topiary. Oh, if they had like multiples of those topiaries, I would totally buy them and use them for fall. But right now, let's look at the rest of these tchotchkes, because I love tchotchkes. Oh my gosh, look at these little cats. I think these are salt and pepper shakers. That little sleeping cat. This is a Target globe, and it's $7.99, but it looks a little damaged. Let's see. Let's look at these other tchotchkes over here on this side. Got the haunted dolls. Do not look. They like peer into your soul. Oh, this is interesting. This is like a deer. You can hang it. It's made of metal. Interesting, but not my most favorite. If it was a unicorn, then that'd be a whole nother story. For sure. There's this cute cow picture for $4.99. And then, I think this rooster one's been here. $5.99. Pretty cute. Oh, it has a chip on it though. These have been here. Those are Target pieces. What's this? Oh, for candles. Alright, let's see what else we have here. Let's go to the plates. Love the plate section. Maybe we can find some new anthropology plates to add to the collection. So whenever I'm at the thrift store, I love collecting like certain, like I collect these, but all of these have chips. These have been here for a while. But I will collect like things for like Pottery Barn plates. I collect the Emmas and the Great White. I know like the names of the designs and stuff, but anthropology plates I'll pretty much collect any because they're so rare, and I like to mix and match them just because they're like more fun and whimsical that way. So I'm always on the hunt for that kind of stuff, and those are kind of like my rules really. Or like if I'm gonna get like a set, I really want to get a set of 8, so that way I have like a whole place setting. So I just have like a couple like little rules for myself. Don't buy anything with chips on them, because that is gonna be crazy. Looking through more plates. Las Vegas. That one's a soccer ball. Gold rim. Alright, you guys, so I am completely dead because I just found, I was back there looking at the backpack. I found this Home Big bag. It's so cute. It's plastic. The inside is like paper. It's so cool. There is some damage on the back. It's like torn right there. But honestly, like it's not like really crazy. It's just on the back. Plus like the lining is still fine, so it's not gonna tear. That is just so cool. Like that's just one side. As long as the other side is like still like in perfect condition. And it's only $7.99. I'm like so dead. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? I'm just so excited. Okay, anyway, we're gonna continue thrifting. This like totally made this trip for me right now. Like, I'm so excited. Okay. Hey, they have another one of these. Check out these orange Thrift plates. These are actually pretty cute. There's only 2 of them. Like, something like this I would want a set of 8, and those are chipped, so it would be so cool to find those, like something really cool for Thanksgiving, something really fun and colorful. Let's check out the mugs. Again, mugs, Starbucks, Anthropology, or just like really anything fun. Even like stuff like maybe the kids would like. Oh, Anthropology. What? I don't even know what this is, but I like it. Okay, so now I'm on the hunt for whatever is the collection that matches this. Oh my gosh. So let's see if we can find any of the pieces that go with it. But okay. I might have to get this though because it's like the Disney villains. But I wish it wasn't damaged. Never mind, I can't get it. The print is like coming off or something, so. Alright, I'll report back to you guys if I find any of those Anthropology pieces or anything else. That's pretty cool. Oh, I kind of like this. Oh, check out this Disney mug. It's huge. It's from Target. And look at these. I think these are probably Pottery Barn. Yes, that one is. And so is this latte one. It is. I don't really have anything from these collections though, so I think I'm going to leave them. But these are really cute. Wish they had more. Maybe if they had like a set of 4. Alright, on to this little section. Like, this is kind of like bakeware, serveware, platters, stuff like that. Still kitchenware. That is it Pampered Chef maybe? It looks like it. And it is $2.99. I have a lot of these though, but they're really, really great for the holidays, for Christmas time. You can make like gingerbread houses and all that stuff. It's pretty. Where are these from? Laura Gates. I think I've seen these before. I'm trying to look for some more of that. Oh, treat yourself. This is cute, $3.99. Still on the hunt for more of the Anthropology stuff though. This is really pretty. Missing the lid. This is from Target. Oh, hold on. Wait, actually this is actually pretty cute. Oh, this is super cute. Welcome little friend, said Pooh. The top is missing though. FTD. This is also pretty. $3.99. I was trying to look at this pasta thing. Baldo Italia. Here's one on eBay, but it's not the exact same one. Let's see if we can find it. No. It's kind of cute though, and mom does have a lot of pasta. She doesn't have like a pasta holder. I'm thinking about getting it. That thing is so cute. If it was blue and white, it would be mine in a second. But it's really cute though. It's by Sadek, and they make lots of nice like ceramics. This is cute too, but there's like a chip on it. Let's see if we can find any other cool things. Bless you. This piece is super cute. It's actually from Crate and Barrel, but it's $13? $10. $10 sticker. Confusing, but it's cute. What do you guys think? I like it. I love the handles. Alright guys, so one of the most amazing things just happened. I met one of you guys, Maria, if you're watching. It was so nice meeting you. You are so sweet. And also, in the midst of meeting you, I was looking at these Williams Sonoma little dipping things. They're so stinking cute, and there's 2 of them, so I'm definitely have to get them. $1.99 each. Perfect for like sauces, you know, when you're making like egg rolls. Oh, this is so cute. You guys, look at how cute this box is. It's made of genuine alabaster, made in Italy. Oh, why do I have this? Okay, sorry. Look, covered the thing. Looking at the furniture, because you never know what they're going to have in here. They might have like a really cool piece. I'm looking for an ottoman, and if I find one, I'd probably have a heart attack and die. But let's see. The carpets that they have right now are so fantastic too. That one's $50. So many awesome things. Is this the same one? I know there was one here last time and it was damaged. Oh, this one's $100. Not the same. Wait, this is the same one, but it is damaged. They told me it was like 50 bucks, I think. But it's okay. I doubt this was $1.49, but I actually got this. Oh, $109. So expensive. Blimey, what is this? I'm trying to figure out what this thing is. You can always look at these things too, and then just type in the style number and you can look them up online. Alright you guys, I just got everything inside the car. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. That always helps immensely. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell button for notifications to be notified when the video does go up for the haul. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! You guys, look how pretty that little plate is.